set of tips for my drills. We use this a lot. We go through them a lot. So you always need them. They're really handy. It comes with a lot of variety of tips, anywhere from Phillips, flat, square drive, and star for your screws. And they give you the adapters for your drill, a small one, a long one, and some other small sockets. So it's gonna come really handy for what we use it here on our cabinet shop or construction or for any homeowner. And one other thing that we like about the set is that the tips are magnetic. So whenever you're screwing, it's always really handy to have that.